What is a Brady violation? Have you ever wondered how the justice system ensures fairness during a trial? One important aspect is the obligation of prosecutors to share certain evidence with the defense. This brings us to the concept of a Brady violation. A Brady violation happens when a prosecutor fails to disclose evidence that could help the defense. This requirement comes from a landmark decision by the United States Supreme Court in 1963, known as Brady v. Maryland. In that case, the court ruled that prosecutors must provide the defense with any material evidence that could exonerate a defendant, lessen their potential sentence, or challenge the credibility of witnesses for the prosecution. This means that if there is evidence suggesting a defendant did not commit a crime, it must be shared. Brady material includes various types of evidence. For example, it can be any information that points to the defendant's innocence. It also covers details about deals between the prosecution and witnesses that might affect their credibility. Physical evidence like DNA or video footage that could prove innocence is also included. Additionally, any information that could discredit a victim's testimony or reveal misconduct by police must be disclosed. Prosecutors have a duty to share this information, regardless of whether the defense asks for it. This obligation continues throughout the case and applies to all favorable information in the government's possession. When a Brady violation occurs, it can undermine a defendant's right to a fair trial and due process. If such a violation is found, it may lead to the conviction being overturned or a new trial being ordered. It can also result in sanctions against the prosecution if the withholding of evidence was intentional. From a liberal viewpoint, addressing Brady violations is vital for criminal justice reform and increasing accountability among prosecutors. These violations highlight the power imbalance in the justice system, where prosecutors control a lot of information. By ensuring strict adherence to Brady obligations, we can promote transparency and fairness. This helps prevent wrongful convictions and builds trust in the justice system. Reforms might include stronger oversight mechanisms, clearer rules for disclosure, and consequences for prosecutors who do not meet these obligations. These changes align with liberal goals of protecting the rights of defendants and ensuring fair treatment under the law. Understanding Brady violations is essential for anyone interested in the ongoing conversation about criminal justice reform and the need for increased accountability in prosecutorial practices.